If you're writing your novel on a laptop keyboard, you're basically trying to paint the Mona Lisa with a crayon. I'm about to show you 6 keyboard types that will actually help you finish your novel instead of just developing carpal tunnel. I mean, you're still gonna develop carpal tunnel, but at least you're done with your book. I'm Lucas. I help fiction writers stop making excuses and actually finish books. Today, we're talking about the tool you touch more than anything else while writing, your keyboard. Most writers obsess over pens and notebooks while ignoring the thing their fingers live on for hours every day. There are 6 types that matter for writers, and 3 of them are hiding in plain sight. Here's what nobody tells you. Your keyboard affects your writing flow more than your coffee choice, your writing app, or that fancy notebook you never use. Bad keyboards create micro friction. Tiny delays, missed keystrokes, finger fatigue that breaks your concentration every few minutes. Your brain is trying to channel creativity, but your fingers are fighting a war with mushy keys. Good keyboards eliminate that friction. They become invisible, just a direct line from your thoughts to the page. That's not keyboard nerd nonsense, that's basic writing productivity. Like I said before, most people think there are 3 types. Wrong. There are 6, and the last 3 are game changers. Just a quick disclaimer. We know there are way more than 6 kinds of mechanical keyboards, gaming keyboards, split keyboards, ortholinear setups, the list goes on. But in this video, we're focusing on the ones most writers actually use. Alright, let's start with the obvious 3. These are the foundation of every mechanical keyboard argument on the internet. Tactile keyboards give you a little bump halfway down each keystroke. It's like your keyboard is saying, yep, got it, with every letter. And why do writers love it? Because that bump creates a rhythm. Your brain learns to trust your fingers. You type faster with fewer errors because you feel when each key registers. It's like muscle memory on steroids. Once you get into that tactile rhythm, words just pour out. Take tactile and add ear-splitting noise. That's clickies. Every single keystroke basically sounds like a tiny gunshot. The psychology is weird but real. That click becomes a metronome for your brain. Click word, click sentence, click paragraph. Some writers get hypnotized by it and enter this trance-like writing state. Of course, there's a downside. Your family will hate you. Your roommates will hate you. If you write at 2 a.m., your neighbors will hate you. But you'll feel like Hemingway battling a typewriter, so... No bump, no click, just smooth, straight travel from top to bottom. It's like ice skating with your fingers. Speed freaks worship linear switches. No tactile bump to slow you down, no click to distract you, just pure unfiltered typing velocity. But here's the trade-off. Some writers feel lost without feedback. It's like typing into the void. You either love the smoothness or hate the emptiness. No middle ground. But wait, there's a whole secret keyboard underground most people never discover. Here's where it gets interesting. Everything I just showed you has a thinner, sneakier cousin that most writers never even know exists. You take that tactile bump, flatten it down to a laptop thickness, that's low-profile tactile, and it's dangerously addictive. It bridges the gap between laptop familiarity and mechanical satisfaction. You get that tactile feedback, but in a package that doesn't scream, I'm a keyboard nerd. Well, there's nothing wrong about being a keyboard nerd. I'm a keyboard nerd. Writers who try this often never go back. It's mechanical keyboards for people who don't want to look like they're preparing for a gaming tournament. Smooth linear travel in a slim portable package. This is what digital nomads use when they are tired of fighting mushy hotel keyboards. You get the mechanical feel without the bulk. Throw it in a backpack, set up anywhere, and suddenly every coffee shop becomes your personal writing sanctuary. The catch? Some people say it feels shallow, like typing on an expensive cardboard. Portable? Yes. Luxurious? Debatable. Picture smuggling a typewriter into your carry-on luggage. That's low-profile clicky. Slim enough to travel but loud enough to clear a whole library. It's the most controversial keyboard choice possible. Ultra portable, incredibly satisfying, and absolutely obnoxious to everyone around you. But some writers swear by it. They say that sharp, crisp click helps them focus no matter where they are. Public enemies, but productive public enemies. Here's the truth none of the keyboard enthusiasts want to admit. The best keyboard is the one that disappears while you're writing. If you're thinking about your keyboard while writing, it's the wrong keyboard. The goal is invisibility. Zero friction between your thoughts and the page. My actual recommendation? Try tactile first. Most writers find that feedback helpful, but if you write in public spaces, go low profile tactile. If you need speed and don't care about feedback, try linear. If you want to feel like a literary badass and don't mind enemies, go clicky. The keyboard nerds will murder me for this, but the keyboard that makes you want to write more is the right keyboard. Period. Mechanical keyboard or not. And actually, true keyboard nerds won't kill me because they actually respect people's individual preferences with their mechanical keyboards or keyboards. I rotate between 3 keyboards depending on my mood and what I'm writing. Morning coffee, first draft chaos, low profile clicky. I need that aggressive feedback to wake my brain up. Afternoon editing, deep focus work, I use tactile. That bump keeps me precise without destroying my concentration. Late night writing when everyone's asleep, I use linear. Smooth, quiet, fast. No drama, just words flowing. But in the end, I'll die for clickies. Fight me. The dirty secret? The keyboard matters way less than actually sitting down and writing. But when you find the right one, it's like upgrading from a rusty bicycle to a sports car. What's your current keyboard setup? Roast me in the comments if you think I'm wrong about clicky keyboards being the best. And hit subscribe if you want more writing gear that actually matters instead of just looking pretty.